What's up YouTube, VST here at Tech, and this is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I just came across an article from Sammy Fans. Here's how to access Samsung CamCyclopedia. Before we watch this video guys, I want to make one short announcement. I have launched the VST membership. It's going to be like only one tier, so if you want to support me further, grow the channel together with me, do it mutually, then that might be a thing for you. What are the perks? Loyalty badges, some members only polls to just ask you around guys, like try to put a thing on the pulse and see, should I do this video, that video, should I buy this product, that other product? And that's the whole idea guys. So if you want to just keep supporting me guys, that's a very good option for you to do so. And now enjoy the video. And I was just scratching my head like, what is Samsung CamCyclopedia? Because you know, I never heard about this. It seems that Samsung launched this Samsung CamCyclopedia, and this is the official encyclopedia for the Galaxy camera. As all encyclopedias guys, the idea really is to teach you the basics and even more how you are able to use the Samsung stock camera and just do outstanding pictures. There's of course only one problem, right? You should be able to access this via the Samsung community with the members app, but it's not available for most of the countries unless of course you're Korean. So those guys from Sammy Fans, thank you for this, they put here a link which you can open with the Google Chrome. And guys, the moment you open it with Google Chrome, yeah, I mean, it's something really real. Plenty of stuff there. CamCyclopedia table of contents, and there are many things. By the way, don't forget always to choose translate, because again, remember the original is in Korean, so I'm using Google Chrome and I'm translating this to English. Learn about the basic principles of the camera and the AI technology and key features applied to the Galaxy camera at CamCyclopedia Camera Encyclopedia guys. Some of this stuff is still work in progress, but see here, color science guys, they really put some links, some articles down below that can give you some very nice information. What is color science? Characteristics of the human color perception, and they really go down to so many technical levels. Color consistency, wow, foreign. And they really go down to so many different levels, color, consistency and stuff like this. And I want to share something that really impressed me. Some of the things are yet to be updated, but operating principles of a digital camera, the sensor, of course, that's not clickable, focus is not clickable, exposure is not clickable, but the lens is clickable. When you click on the lens, I was just thinking, yeah, I'm gonna lecture me on what is a lens, how the optics work. But see here guys, not only are they giving you the lens principle, it goes down to the level of including some very nice graphics, though by the way, some of them, yeah, still have the Korean description, how the light is being refracted, the explanation of terms like what is the depth of field, and etc, what is the aperture, what is the f number, like angle of view, all I think the basic stuff that you probably don't need to know all, right? But if you want to master your skills guys, that's it. And by the way, this here is the CamCyclopedia table of contents. Down below there are things like nitrography, there are other things like moire and etc. And yes, it's just a very useful somehow topics are covered, and I hope that you'll find great joy to review and probably even get some key takeaways that you can apply guys. And if you like content like this, don't overthink it. Subscribe to this channel guys, then you'll be able to do a perfect picture of this dog. With that said, VST over and bye.